Welcome to Kartar Agro Industries Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of automobile parts. Established in the year 1965, we are an ISO 9001-2000 certified company. We have received National Award honored by the President of India and State Productivity Award given by the Government of Punjab. Vast experience, high-quality products and world-class infrastructure make us the preferred supplier in the industry. We offer a wide array of rotavator, track combine and self-propelled combine harvester. Our self-propelled combine harvesters are best in the industry amongst others. Tractor-mounted and maize combine harvesters are well known for their functionality. Rotavator and track combine harvester offered by us that are available at industry-leading prices. We also provide knotter straw balers that are widely appreciated in the market. To get more information, log on at www.kartarcombines.com.